Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a lion mane costume. First, gather your materials. You will need faux fur fabric, a sturdy base like a hood or hat, and basic sewing supplies. Think about the color and texture of fur you want for your lion. Having everything ready before you start will make the crafting process much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's get started on creating a fantastic mane. Now, let's create the mane's volume. Cut your faux fur into strips. Vary the lengths and widths to achieve a more organic, wild look, just like a real lion's mane. Layering these pieces is key to building fullness. You can even use a few different shades or textures of fur to add incredible depth and make your costume truly stand out. With your fur strips ready, it is time to attach them to your base. Whether you are using a hood or a hat, secure each piece firmly. Strong fabric adhesive works well, or you can hand stitch for extra durability. Make sure to distribute the fur evenly around the base, building up layers from the outside in to create a lush, full mane. Finally, let's perfect your lion mane. Trim and shape the fur to achieve the desired look, whether you prefer a shaggy or more refined style. This is also the perfect time to add any extra details, like a pair of cute lion ears or a matching tail. A gentle brush through the fur will fluff it up, giving your magnificent lion mane costume its final roar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.